hazard, wherein what are the hazards that affects in our country in the form of water or rain or whatever it is, the tsunami or the storm surge, and then the hazards that affects us through meteorology or the atmosphere, as that of the climate change, global warming, and even the meteors. So we are here. Okay, next slide, please. Every department that concerns with the study of these problems or disaster or hazards or even phenomenon or phenomena is the pag-asa. That's why it is stated here in the middle. I don't know if all of us are familiar with the word, with the okay. Amo dyan, pero may pinapakita ni Kuya Kim. Diba, ano? Ang buhay ay these are the effects of flood. More pictures para karon makita natin. Wherein in the inset, the pictures of the responders or the rescuers. Then the effects of El Nino, La Nina. Then here our galaxy. You know our galaxy? Science teachers. Okay, what's the name of our galaxy?
Milky Way.
Milky Way, very good. It is where the solar system is found. Okay, it's just as simple that the solar system. You will notice that here there's a change of color. Nagapatimaan lang because of the global warming or climate change, amura ang mga epekto na. Siyempre, kung blue ang color, there's life. Pero kung magamukara, nothing. So, maybe siguro, if you can reach 300 years, it's time for you to invest at other planet. No? The ozone layer, planetarium. Okay, next slide please. Plus, we don't know what will happen. You will notice that even the earthquake that we experience or we noted through the reports at Bohol, siguro kung ikaw, siguro kada minuto, siguro ginauyod ko, ano ba lang, pumatsyag mo? I have here the compilation also of what happened to Kulasi the year 1990. That was 7.1 magnitude. So meron dyan kita ka makita natin sa road. No? This is the Philippines. Later we'll know, usually they are often used the term PAR, or the Philippine Area of Responsibility, and it has coordinates, we will know that later. No? So probably once they will form this heavy rain, kung mag-sigang twist na ground, that becomes the eye of the typhoon. Next. Next. Okay. Now this time, you will notice that kung kaisa to, tama ikalinaw no, ragi ti hangin. That's what we call the easter lights. Kung kaisa, this month, ano na? Is it still the northeast monsoon that we are experiencing or southwest monsoon? Something like that. We will know that later. Green color, amo dyan ang rains. This is the Philippines. Now, notice, for the months that we experience from January, tingad nga, from January itself, my earthquake, or I mean, my bagyo rin react, no? And then the names of the, mamanaan yung magyapon na karoon. Okay, try to see what happened to the Philippines. Here, next slide. Okay, wala gawa, this one, baka next slide. Rain forecast or forecast of rain from July to September because of this month, dudurong bagyo nga nagasalad ka natin. Wherein, that's the time for us to prepare, more likely, the effects of floods and landslides. Kung deficit, ay kung drought o kung El Nino, so amura ang epekto na. Kung dry spell, 3 consecutive months of below normal. Okay. Pero nagahangin pa rin na. Unlike kung drought, amuro na ang pagpranglitak kang mga tramna ng lupa. And that's very dangerous. Because from that time, once na mag-abot ang uran, masalad dito ang tubig, maagi sa holes, o kung sa buho, o kung sa lutak, mas torta na sa dalom, ang effects na karon, liquefaction. Now, by the time nga mag-abot ang bira nga uran pagid, kag mag-init, that's the time nga pwede na lang mag-usmad. You will notice, mga going to Iloilo, more likely rin dyan sa unahan kang sakot din ka, marumakay. Sa may babaw na rin, okay? So, ano lang na ka-repair yun na. Sige, magay, tinag nga liquefaction, tanara ka mo ng delikado. Meaning, may tubig sa dalam. Radiant na tubig. Okay. And, as part of our campaign, more likely, we convene the local zoning board before having a construction of a structure, halimbawa buildings here, kinala i-assist natin na anay, ay malay mo, kasi kung ang rang area, may fault. So, mo ka dyan ginatutukan naman. Connects the country from January to December. You will notice that in January to February, we are experiencing the northeast monsoon o on amihan. Amora nga bisa magsublang ka, mag-agto ka to, magsimba ka to sa may subaste. Grabe, no? Pero, without our knowledge, may bagyo rin na sa other sides. Outside the Philippine area of responsibility. Therefore, international name ang ngaran ng bagyo nga. Once they enter the port, may ngaran. Every 4 years, you will notice, mo kang year 2000, kung nagwa mo dyan ngaran niya, it's because the name, nakapattern nila. Kumbaga, after 4 years, nagabalik ang mga names na. And also, it has a corresponding auxiliary names. So, Pale of Cold Front. That's why, kung morning, namin pakupkap natin sa Mr. Ta. No? Eh, medyo marami-rami. Okay. Easter lies because there are times na ura nagawin ang hangin. Ura, tiramig. Meaning, steady tanatanan. Even na, bisan sa buwa lang ikaw, tama ka din. Sa lalong ikaw kong kahoy, tama ka din. Okay, next. Low pressure area na. May bagyo rin na. And we will know the percentage during this month. Ridge of high pressure area, this usually happen sa mga mainit na lugar nga nagasampok ang ramig, pero kita ang naapektuhan. That's why colds, fever, and flu ang experience ka. And then tropical cyclone. What's the difference? Low pressure area from that of tropical cyclone. Then tropical storm. Later you will know that. We are now the northeast to southwest monsoon. Ang pagsampukanay kang hangin nga amihan kag hangin nga habagat, which result na sa diin basket ang na-experiensyahan natin nga uran. Amura nga kung kaisa dali ang pag-develop kang bagyo. Tungod nga nag-met sanda, nag-merge sanda, kag delikado kung ikaw o kung sa inyo nga province or region dito mismo nag-form. Dito maagi. Ito yung pagsampukanay na da. So therefore, kung magsampok ang hangin kag amihan nga habagat, ay easier na. Yung nakunda nga, intertropical convergence zone. So amura ang delikado. The waves. Tingnan, amura na ang pagdraggal kang mga balit. Pero it doesn't mean storm surge ka na rin. It may be, kung mag-drag ka ng balod, storm surge ang ikawag kariya kung may bagyo. Pero kung normal lang, easterly wave. Okay? Then low pressure area, same with ridge of high pressure area. Next, antig araroy rin. No? Tingnan nga, medyo mahina rin ang hangin na abagat, pinabirara tanakang amihan, balik rumata na sa amihan. Kag, maramig-ramig, that's why nga hindi makasolba ang kape. Ang kape, kung pagkatapos rin lang. Ano to? Okay, meadow pressure area, then there you are. These are the weather system that affect. Next. Pangalawa yung Visayas. And then, last yung Mindanao. Pero, those years pa. But this time, grabe ang Mindanao. Later you will see picture or what happened to Kumbag. Compostela Valley. Okay? Nasa diin, devastating location of ang andar na saging na dyan. Okay? Nga, mo parang next. Okay, next. Ang trend kang bagyo. May nag-aagi rin dyan sa Region 6 o kung sa Visayas region. Pero almost nag-ato dito. What will happen to the second quarter? Next slide, please. There you are. You have that comparison because here in the first quarter, January to March, northeast monsoon ba? So kung may mag-develop na bagyos from the Pacific Ocean, pagsulod na sa Philippine Area of Responsibility, itulod kang northeast monsoon, ang tendency na reject natin. Mura nga bisan kung kaisa, hindi rin kita tamaan. Kang una namin pang tiyempo without the effects of climate change or global warming from that period, wala tiuran, we can enjoy the pesta. But this time, wala rin kapili ang hazard na hydro-hazard. April to June, medyo neutral ka na. Pero, may mga typhoon tracking ang na-detect ang pag-asa wherein still, posible nga within this quarter, pwede nga may dalawa o tatlo ang mga sila sa Visayas region. Next. Now, so you will notice, marami kita dyan bagyo. Tingnan nga, from July to September, dito tanara sa Luzon area. Tingnan nga, matamat ang tanang nga ginatulod kang southwest monsoon, Lubon, Habagat. Plus, ITCC. No? You will notice, why is it na nag-aura ni Jeff? Pero ang tracking na dahil here, because ang typhoon na almost thousands in diameter na. So that's why pwede nga kung ridya ang strike na Aurora Province, apektuhan di kita. We are within the diameter kang kamahalan ng bagyo. Now, for the fourth quarter, you will notice that there is one entered sa Visayas region. Tunduman nyo, Super Typhoon Pablo, wherein during that time, it was Amancio Estrelloso, amo ang OIC, he issued the office order or memorandum order suspending classes. That was December 4, 2000. Remember nyo? May gani Super Typhoon 2. Gari, kinapirata na ang northeast monsoon, kaya mo niya nga partner kay northeast monsoon. That's why nga ginatulog ka ng pagtulog. Pero kung wala, signal number 2 kita. And then, pagka May, di ba, notice nyo, on the second week or third week of May, grabe na itong tirapuran, matamat ang talagsakan. Next, Visayas. Okay, San Jose. Try to imagine the 1,000 meters. So, alam mo din. So, this is forming depression, color yellow, and it becomes, ano ba rin niya gina? Storm. Then, typhoon and storm. What's the difference between that? Later you will know. Light to moderate, ang bali ko yan here. Moderate to heavy, or heavy to moderate. It has a classification. Next. Try to notice. It is a moving object. That is typhoon. That results na sa diin ang billboards na hulugan ng sakyan. Grabe ang hangin. It might have a tendency na maupot pa siya. Flood, landslides. There you are. These are the variables of hazards. Visibility, through observation na, clouds, how it forms. Pero dyan ba, okay, grabe yung tinitin, matupa na oran. That's one of the variables. Temperature, pero dyan nga matamat rin ka, grabe, no? Humidity, oran. Okay. Next. Apply, tingnan nga, rin dyan sa may Visayas region, only in Iloilo and Cebu ang may radar. to detect kang weather update. And now, as part of good news, I submitted the proposal tagamoto kadyang imparo ni Mayor for a MOA signing. Matindagan kita kang weather station ng Jens Menaba. That is already accurate, pero naka-control ka na, may code lang. Well, of course, on the part sa kantanang institutions, itawan ko sa dakang code lang para kamo mismo lang ang maka-open kang data nga. No? Okay, next. That's the sample of radar at Cebu City. Okay, next. At least, no? Mas kan na, no? Diyan sa radar, makita ka mo kung ano ang color na at least ma-determine mo heavy. Pero, from the time being, when you go internet or Facebook, I would rather suggest, open ka mo sa tinatawag na Project NOAA. Try nyo lang, no? When you go to internet, open nyo lang Project NOAA. Google, tapos search nyo lang Project NOAA. Type nyo lang. Where you can determine, where you can see, no, the visibility upon the weather color or the Doppler effect na. No? Next. O para gini Pablo. Next. Appropriate. This is very dangerous sa mga coastal areas. That's the very reason that we took the initiative of mga bayan kung tao basta bayan. Siyempre, in process. Kag ang tabo reject ra,